In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the theme a Shopify store is using. Start by opening the Shopify store you want to inspect in your web browser. Once the website loads, copy the store's URL from the address bar. Next, visit a Shopify theme detector website. Paste the store URL into the search field and click Detect Theme. Within a few seconds, the tool will analyze the website and display the Shopify theme being used. If you're checking your own store, you can also log in to your Shopify admin dashboard, click Online Store, and look under the Theme section. Your current live theme will be displayed at the top of the page. Knowing a store's theme can be useful for finding design inspiration, exploring theme features, or choosing a theme for your own Shopify store. That's it, you've successfully checked a Shopify store theme. Thanks for watching.